Hi guys, to receive this WiseGear Keypad door lock for review purposes, so let's take everything out of the box, okay? So first pack, and we've got the user manual, the drill template, okay? This is a lock. You can set it up. Right now it doesn't lock because it ain't placed, but it uses 4 AA batteries, which is really nice, okay? And this is the other side. As you can see, it has a pin pad, which is really nice, and the keyhole. Okay, so it's really nice that it comes with everything it needs. In here we got the keys and all. Some screws to install them, which is really nice. And here's some more accessories for the installation upon the door, which is great that it comes everything you need, so you don't have to go and fetch something else, okay? We've got this other box. And here we've got the lever, okay? So we can open the door. And it's really nice lever. It has this simple matte black finish, which is really nice. I like a lot how they look. Okay, this is the lever, as you can see. This is what goes indoor. Okay, so as I've said, they're really nice. So let's go ahead and install them and see how they work. Let's go. Okay, so now that it's already paired, we can hold to lock it like this. As you can see, it's already locked, and to unlock it, we're just gonna touch it one time. As you can see, which is really nice. We can generate our proper passcodes to see who is using it, so we're gonna create one now. We've got permanent. We're gonna set a name. We're gonna lock it and test the code that I've made. And as you can see, it works perfectly. So as you can see, it's really nice, really easy to install. You can install that almost on any door which you like. It's really nice. It's very safe, and I like a lot that you have the option to have it with passcode, even with your fingertip or a card like this, because it makes the access easier for those who are authorized or have this type of cards, okay? So as you can see, it's really nice, and I like a lot. I think they are really well made. All the materials feel of a very nice quality, and I will really recommend it. See ya!